Faculty of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Sciences is amongst the 5 faculties of SINDH Agriculture University, Tandojam. This faculty is located toward the eastern end of the main campus of the university on Hyderabad-Mirpur Khas Highway, about 15 kilometers to the south of Hyderabad city. It was established in 1971. The faculty offers 5 years of the degree program of DVM, MPhil and PhD in the semester system throughout its 14 teaching departments in various disciplines related to the animals and veterinary sciences. The faculty offers innovative teaching programs and new academic developments in small and large animals surgery, medicine, reproduction, nutrition, and management. It also offers courses on domestic and the wild animals diseases, fisheries, and animal products technologies. Well-equipped classrooms with state-of-art teaching infrastructure, air-conditioned libraries with latest arrivals of the textbooks and research journals, 3 veterinary clinics, teaching hospitals, and livestock and the poultry farms to provide hands-on experience.
Animals sort of pets जेका केयरनेस आहे उन में असां तमामु पुठिते आहियूं फ़ाइदे उन में असांखे तव्हां जहिड़े नौजवाननि जी ज़रूरत आहे जेके सही नमूने में ट्रेन थियनि अॻिते वधनि इहे क्लिनिक्स जो जेको आहे नंबर वधे ताकी असांजे माण्हुनि में जेको हाणे रुझान अञा वधे पियो पंहिंजा पेट्स रखण जो पोल्ट्री साइड ते ॾिसो केॾो स्कोप आहे अञा असांजे मुल्क में तव्हां सम्झो त वेटरन जो तमामु वॾो स्कोप आहे ऐं पर्टिकुलरली जॾहिं मिसाल को तव्हांखे इवन जेका असांजी इकोनॉमी में एग्रीकल्चर कंट्रीब्यूशन आहे वेटरनरी शोज़ खे वेटरनरी स्कोप बिल्कुलु आहे
beside this 5 years DVM program, MPhil and PhD in all 14 departments. Well, the students graduated from my faculty. They compete in all over the world and they perform very well.
Veterinary sciences having a good role to produce human resource development for especially in the field of veterinary profession. The veterinary is the best from every services because we are serving to speechless animals and they cannot complain, but we have to treat and diagnose the animals. We have a great job. They will enjoy to do the practicals on the animals and then they are comparing with the laboratories which are being performed in the human laboratories.
can speak, but for those who have ability to listen. Proud to be a veterinarian.
Veterinary doctor is a doctor of humanity. Proud to be a veterinarian.
The role to secure the animals. Proud to be veterinary. Veterinary is only profession which is superior to every profession. Proud to be a veterinarian.